go ahead and move on to our phonics lesson, and we're going to be learning about double final consonants. And remember, there are two kinds of letters. There are vowels. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, or A, E, I, and And then the consonants are all the other letters. So we're going to be practicing and focusing on the final consonants of a word, and we're going to be looking at the ones with double letters. For example, we're going to take a look at an S ending, an F ending, L, and a Z, and a Z. So the only thing you need to remember about this is that even though there's two consonants, it's one sound. For example, this is SS, but it's only one sound of S. It's not S, it's S. Say that with me. S. This is one sound, even though it's two letters. It's F, F, O, and Z. Say them with me. S, F, O, Z. Even though there's two letters, it's one sound. So if I were to tell you class, the word class, we would sound it out. It has a blend at the beginning, which is a K, O. The vowel is A, S, S. That's how you spell it. It's two S's, one sound. It's class. Say class. If this is the word, let's see, what word can we use for this? What about the word fluff? Or we would say it would be a F, O, and the vowel would be a. F, F. The two F's, only one sound. So it's fluff. Now when we have double L's, we're going to look at the word bell. So I brought in the picture of a bell just to show you. Bell would be B, E, O, one O sound. And Z would be fuzz. Let's look at the word fuzz. F, Z. Fuzz. So that's what we're going to be doing. And if you make these double final consonants, they're all at the end of words, but they make one sound. How many sounds do they make? One sound. We'll be learning a little bit more about that throughout the week. Now I just want to draw your attention to another final consonant, which is this. This is a CK, and it makes the K sound. So it goes at the end, like we have two letters that make the K sound. The C and the K both make a K sound sometimes. So, but together at the end of a word, it makes a K sound too. For example, the word duck. This is a picture of a duck, and if I were to write the word duck, oops, sorry about that, I would just write it and say D, K. Remember the ending. How do you spell K? And for the ending, it's CK. What's the word? Duck. What's the ending? K. What about the word kick? If you're going to play kickball, you would write the word kick. It begins with a K. I is the vowel, and then the ending is K. So the K sound goes at the end. K. Again, I'm just introducing this to you for a little bit, just so that you can get used to it. We're going to be taking a look at it more and more throughout the week. But now I want you to draw your attention and focus on some sight words, because this week we're going to be learning 4 new sight words. So why do we need to learn sight words? So that we can become what? Great readers and writers. And in order to be good readers